Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some Jamaican curry chicken. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's so good to have you here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Your support is absolutely awesome. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you can be alerted when I upload a new video. Now let's get into this curry chicken.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Now I'm using 5 medium-sized chicken thighs and I've cut them into 2 pieces. Now I'm just gonna season my chicken. I will use everything that I use down in the description box, so don't worry. Now I do like to use the brown part of the meat when I'm making curry chicken because I just find it more flavorful. Now once I've added in all my powdered seasoning, I do like to go ahead and grate I've got half of a medium onion here and I just grate that into the chicken because I find that, you know, it just makes the chicken so much more flavorful. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest of my seasoning, give it a good mix, and then I'm going to store this in my fridge for about 2 hours because I do want to cook this today. Now it is better if you can store your chicken overnight or up to about 24 hours. You know, your chicken will have so much flavor in it. Guys, make sure, don't be coward, put on some gloves and just really go in and just get all that seasoning up in at the ribs and the corner. Listen, when you say you're seasoning chicken, it's not just to dash the seasoning on top of it and move along. No, rub it in. You say rub it in everywhere. Up in the round the so, down the so, yeah, in the so too. Rub it in. Don't be scared of the chicken. If you don't want to put your hand on it, well, I never wanted no curry on my finger, no curry fingernail, no pretty. So I did put some gloves on, but look at the marinade on that chicken, guys. Listen. Put your gloves on and just rub it in. Now this is how your chicken's supposed to be looking when it's all seasoned up. Don't be shy. There's no such thing as too much seasoning. Put it on there. Now once your chicken is ready, if you have it in the fridge, make sure you take it out and leave it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes just for it to, you know, get up to room temperature. Now in a pan, now guys, I'm using a non-stick pan, so I'm only going to use about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now if you're using, say, like a stainless steel pan or a Dutch pot or a cast iron, make sure the pot is really hot before you add the oil. Now I've added about half a teaspoon of the curry powder just to burn it off a bit, and then I'm going to add my seasoning. And no, I'm not going to take on another onions and stuff. I'm going to put everything in the pot. Now I'm going to brown this for about, I'd say about 5-6 minutes on each side. Now I did this for about 15 minutes. Just turning constantly. Well, when I say constantly, I turn this at least every 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm doing this because I just want to get a little bit of color, just a little bit of seal on the chicken. Now as you can see, guys, doing this now, at the moment I've got my heat on a medium heat. Now as you can see, you know, the juices are starting to form from this chicken. Now once the chicken has you know, once I've sealed it on all sides, I'm gonna turn my heat down just a little bit, just to get it from that medium heat down towards a low heat. Now all I'm gonna do is just keep stirring this chicken for about another 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna cover it. And guys, if you've noticed, I have not added any water. The chicken will spring its own juices. Now look at the amount of juice that's in the scotch, and I haven't added any water yet. All this juices is coming from the chicken. Just turn down your stove, cover it, and just leave it. Check it about 10 minutes after you first covered the chicken. But I got dash no whole heap of water in the chicken and drown the chicken. But just turn your stove down. Make sure you have a good pot that's got a good seal. Now look at this again, guys. Like, this is about another 8 minutes after, and still no liquid added. The chicken is just springing its own juice, and you know, this is just how you want it, because it's cooking in its own juices. Guys, tell me, what can be better than that? Now when the chicken is almost done, I'd say about 10 to 12 minutes from finishing, as you can see, the chicken is cooked, but it's just not quite there yet. It still needs that little bit of extra time to finish cooking. But I get the chicken people, them know half raw chicken for eat as well. But some people like the chicken like this, and about me, most time, and I like it. Now at this point, this is when I add my carrots and my potatoes in. Now at this point, I'm gonna add about 1/3 of a cup of water. Now what I'm gonna do here, just move it around, just to, you know, free it up in the pot a bit. Then I'm gonna put my heat back up to medium, and I'm gonna cook this for about another 8 to 10 minutes. If you're still here with me, leave me a carrot and a potato emoji. Now once you're happy that your gravy is thickened up a bit, as you can see, I'm quite happy with mine. You can go ahead and just, you know, turn your stove off, and your chicken is ready. Now I do like to let this just sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, just to, you know, for all that chicken just to relax and just suck up all those juices that's in there, and just, oh yeah baby. Comment down below, what is your favorite thing to eat with a curry chicken dish? For me, it have to be a banana yam and dumpling, because you know that's gonna be the one, innit? Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen, and don't forget to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit, but only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.